Hi, my name is Ozioma Precious, and today we'll be making 12 sentences expressing daily actions starting with I am. So there are two major ways most Igbo speakers express themselves whenever they want to start with a sentence with I am. It could be anam, 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 or it could be mna, mna, mna. So I am sleeping becomes mnarahora, mnarahora. I am praying becomes anam ekpe ekpere, anam ekpe ekpere. I am cooking, na-esi nri, na-esi nri. I am sweeping the floor, ana m azụ ụlọ, ana m azụ ụlọ. I am bathing, m na-asa ahụ, m na-asa ahụ. I am washing the plates, ana m asa efere, ana m asa efere. I am running, m na-agba ọsọ, m na-agba ọsọ. I am working, ana m arụ ọrụ, ana m arụ ọrụ. I am singing, m na-agụ egwu, m na-agụ egwu. I am playing, ana m egwu egwu, ana m egwu egwu. I am going to work, m na-eje ọrụ, m na-eje ọrụ. I am driving a car, ana m anya ụgbọala, ana m anya ụgbọala. So how do you think we are going to say I am eating using the two formats? Tell me in the comment section. Let me know how many of you will be able to get it. I am eating using the two formats of mna and anam. Tell me how you're going to express I am eating. If you found this content very valuable, please like and share. Meanwhile, our Igbo reading class will be coming up very soon, and we'll be reading an Igbo novel, and this class will help you acquire more Igbo vocabulary, learn how to make more Igbo sentences, pronunciation, and what have you. So for details on this Igbo reading class, please kindly check my pinned post. Please like and share. Thank you.